Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Hancock and I teach English here at UA-PTC. And today I'm going to show you a quick video associated with the Collab Center on how you can get independent, specific, 24/7 help with Blackboard. So let's take a look at it. Alright, let me move my picture down to the corner here. Alright, so this is going to something called the Library Libguides. And so first, the way to access it is go to the library webpage. There are ways to do this. You can simply Google it, but you can also access it through your campus portal. But today I'm going to do just a really basic look here. I'm going to go to Academics, and here I am at the main homepage of the college. And I'm going to go to Resources, and then right here where it says UA-PTC Ottenheimer Library. This is the library webpage, and of course if you're doing research or anything like that at all, this is where you typically go as well. So we're going to go to the library here, and right off the bat you'll notice in the list right here on the right it says Libguides. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Okay, now there are a lot of Libguides. You can go through a lot of this stuff. There's a lot with help, a lot of research content, but what we're going to do is we're going to specifically click on the one right here where it says Blackboard. Alright, and now that I've done so, we are now here at a page that specifically talks about just Blackboard. Of course, I am the one that's in control of this here, and there are some things that I'm working on, such as like the Blackboard Student Orientation. Don't have that right now as of the spring of 2021, but that is something I'm going to be working on coming soon. But for this video, I just simply wanted to show you the Student Help tab. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And now, of course, if you need help, there are a few routes to go through if you're needing specific help. Number one is your instructor. Contact your instructor. Contact them again. Of course, give them 24 hours to contact you back. Don't blow up their email account every 2 hours or so. Give them a little bit of time, but still be consistent with contacting your instructor. Also, you are able to contact Blackboard at UA-PTC.com. You can also submit a help ticket right here as well. There are ways to get help for sure, okay, everybody? So please understand there are people here to help you out always. Also, you can go straight to the library. They can help you out with a lot. Maybe not necessarily technical stuff with Blackboard, but they can help you maybe with some research, maybe with some other content, especially with Libguides. So also, down here are some frequently asked questions if you're having problems. If you need immediate help without having to contact a help desk ticket or anything like that. So how do I reset my password? How do I log in from my desktop? How do I log in from my mobile device? And so on. You can go into this. This can really help out. I know this may seem silly to some people, like, I don't really want to know about help. I lost my work. You know, I don't want to look into that. There are some situations and times where you may need to really click into one of these, and you may come across that, and you may know, oh, I forgot. The Libguides. There are a lot of resources in there that can really help me out with these problems. So there's that. Now, here are other particular items that can help you out with how do I submit an assignment, group assignments, safe assign, plagiarism checker. Some instructors have that open for you to view. Some just have it for them to view. Let's see here, sending and receiving messages inside of Blackboard if your instructor has that opened. Sending an email from Blackboard if they're using Collaborate. Participating in discussions, that's something very important for my online classes. Grades, where are my grades? How do I check an assignment? All of this here, blogs and journals and wikis if your instructors are using those, other Blackboard features. And this is just small right now. I'm going to be adding more to this as I go forward, but I wanted to take a really quick video to show everybody that this is a really good one-stop shop that we're working on for you to have some frequently asked questions and things that you can figure out on your own without having to go through a lot of channels to get specific help. Of course, if this doesn't work, we always encourage you to take advantage of our other help that we have. But always try to see if you can figure out a little bit here, and this is a way that you can try to do it. And always know that on the third floor of the Charts building, we do have the Collaboration Center, and we are here to help you out. So if you need anything, please do not hesitate to contact us. And I always say, have a good day.